Hello foodies, welcome to Eatsowhat. Guess what? Today's special recipe is Bun Parotta. Bun Parotta is a very popular street food in Madurai. Let's have a look at the ingredients first. Our first step is to activate the yeast. Yeast gives a soft texture to our parotas. You can also use egg, but since I'm making it eggless, I'm using dry yeast here. To activate the yeast, take 1 small cup of lukewarm water and add a teaspoon of yeast into it. Once done, add a teaspoon of sugar and then give it a good mix and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the yeast to activate and rise. Let's quickly start mixing the dough now. So adding 2 medium cups of Maida or all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of sugar followed by a teaspoon of salt. And now we will mix all the dry ingredients well. Let us now add the activated yeast water, followed by a teaspoon of oil. Combine everything well and then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Butter will make our parotta soft. Gradually add milk at a time just to combine everything. Almost done. We will now add a teaspoon of oil and knead for another 10 minutes. Make sure the dough is soft and not sticky. Kneading is very important for the parotas, so make sure you knead it well. Once done, we will drizzle a little bit of oil over the dough. Cover the dough now and let it sit for about 2 hours. So if you're planning to make the parotas by noon, ensure you prepare the dough before 2 hours. And after 2 hours, our dough looks something like this. So soft and fluffy. So it's worth the wait, right? Now I will teach you another technique to make the parotas soft. It is to punch the dough. We will now punch our dough for about 5 minutes. And trust me, this punching is really a stress buster. Once done, we will divide the dough into equal portions. I've divided the dough into 6 equal halves and will grease with some oil each of these. Now we will roll out the parotas. Grease the surface with some oil where I'm going to roll it out. Ensure to roll out very nice and thin. Now fold the parotas by taking the outer layer to inside. The reason behind rolling out in such a way is to retain the layer of the parotta. Press it gently now and ensure to retain the bun shape. Don't make it very thin. Keep the flame on medium-low and please do not cook it on high flame. Cook it properly on both the sides until they turn into golden brown color. Enjoy bun parotas with kurma or any kind of gravy. Some kurma over the bun parotta, cause this is the best way to eat it, so do try it out. Check out my other recipes below and subscribe to Eatsowhat for more such wonderful recipes. Thank you.